Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my very own Jolly basket, as well as giving you guys some ideas for Jolly baskets that you guys might be making this holiday season. So hopefully this basket gives you some good ideas and some good pointers. With that being said, let's go ahead and just hop right into it. Everything in here is under $100. I actually think everything in here is probably under $60. I do think that I got quite a bit of things, especially for the price. So first things first, you're gonna need your basket. You can get a basket that you already have around the house. I actually got this like really nice velvety smooth box from Target, and it has like a really cute topper on top. I figured it can be multi-used, so holidays are right around the corner. If somebody wanted to repurpose this, that would be great. I also love boxes like this for storage, so somebody can also use this for some type of storage. So the first thing that I pulled out of this basket is this hot cocoa bomb. This is a Hello Kitty hot chocolate bomb, and it has a little marshmallow that is shaped in the shape of Hello Kitty with the little iconic red bow. How cute is this? Snacks are always a great way for any type of basket. Boo basket, Jolly basket, like I feel like you can't go wrong with snacks. I'll do a demonstration and put it on screen right here so you guys can see what the hot chocolate bomb looks like as it comes out of the packaging. This retailed for $3 at Walmart. They had other characters besides Hello Kitty. I just happen to really like Hello Kitty, so that's the first thing. The next thing is also from Walmart. I didn't even think you guys could see that. It was like stuck in there. But this is a bath bomb. They had 3 different flavors. I went with the sugar berry flavor. This is a limited edition bath bomb fizz from La Creme Shop. I got this at Walmart for $5. I've also seen these at Ulta. They're a little bit more expensive at Ulta, as everything is at Ulta. But good thing about Ulta is you can normally like add coupons to the end of your purchase. I also will bring a little video on the screen here so you guys can see how it looks in the bath, because I am also curious. So here's a little video of that. Speaking of bath bombs, I also picked up these Mean Girl bath bombs. They are like cute little like lips, and they're just so cute. It says So Fetch bath bombs that I actually got on clearance for $6 at Marshall's. What a great find. It comes with a total of 5 bath bombs. But you want to make sure whatever you're putting in any type of gift that they're actually going to find value and use out of it. That is the goal. So you can customize it however you like. These are just some pointers. Personally, me, I find a lot of value and use out of press-on nails. I've been doing press-on nails for months now, and it saved me so much money and time the last few months just by switching to press-ons. I got these Kiss Gel Fantasy press-on nails for half off if you go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or Ross and get your press-on nails. I highly recommend the Kiss brand, because other brands sometimes like the nail will melt on me like while I'm doing my hair because it's more plasticky based. I guess these are plastic too, but they just are more durable. If the person you're getting the basket for is not into nails, you can also do something like hair care, hair accessories. I also picked up this holiday edition nail stickers from La Creme Shop. This is limited edition. I got this for $6.99 at Marshall's, and I like that it comes with the Hello Kitty clear gloss, because you do have to put clear nail gloss on top of the sticker after you applied the sticker, just so that it will stick. I did use these types of stickers on my recent Hello Kitty transformation video, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll have a link down below. I'll also have my Boo Basket video linked down below. Okay, now I have another thing of snacks. I saw this at Walmart, and this was also $3. I thought at first it was like a pencil holder, which I could repurpose this because it's a nice little like tin, and I like the little like holographic, is it holographic picture on the top. It's lollipops in the shape of Hello Kitty. Let me take this out. It comes with 6 lollipops, and they are strawberry flavored lollipops. And these are so cute. And for $3, I felt like this is a really good deal. So this is what it comes out like. You guys see? The detailing is so cute. Okay. It's actually really good. highly recommend, guys. This is really good. Not only is this delicious, it is also super adorable. I should have bought more. I'm gonna go back to Walmart and get myself more. And also for like little gifts, so cute. Moving on, I found this at Walmart for $6. It's like a little tin purse, kind of shaped like a bow, but it's definitely holiday vibes. I don't know if it's really intended to be a purse or to be like a little storage container. It says Happy Holidays right here. I'm gonna open it for you guys. It just opens like that. I will probably use this for some type of storage in the future, but I think for the holidays, I might style it as a bag. I feel like it's really cute and really dainty and precious and unique. And even though it's a tin can, I feel like fashion has no limits, and I will be piecing something with this together, even if it's for a holiday party. I feel like I can make a really cute look with this as like the inspo. So yeah, I also love the little handle. It's just so adorable to me. Little tin can bag, if that's not the person's vibe that you're shopping for. Any type of accessory would be cute, whatever it is that they're into. I know for the Boo baskets, I did phone accessory case. You could do something like that. That's like very holiday inspired, like holiday earrings or a little holiday necklace. It doesn't have to be expensive jewelry. It could be just fun, festive holiday jewelry. Something that every time the holiday comes around, they'll pull it out and wear it for those, couple of weeks, and think about whoever gave them the Jolly basket every time they wear it. Speaking of accessories, you guys know one of my very favorite accessories is beanies. Well, if you guys have been here for a while, you know I love beanies. I also love Barbie. So this just had to come home with me. I got this at Marshall's for $10. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Ooh. I love it. I do think beanies are a really fun, cool gift. Now everybody's gonna have their different style in beanie. I like the ones with a little like fuzzy stuff on the top. Not everybody's gonna like that, but I honestly, my personal opinion, I feel like everybody looks really good in beanies. Again, my personal opinion, but who doesn't like to keep their, like ears warm during the winter, during the holidays? If they're not really a beanie person, maybe a nice scarf would also be something that you can incorporate in there, or nice little gloves, or even really cute little fuzzy socks, something to just keep the person warm during the holidays. Speaking of keeping somebody warm, I also threw in a blanket. I know I threw in a blanket for the Boo basket, but that was a Boo basket themed blanket, and I needed a holiday themed blanket. Basically, I just needed a Hello Kitty blanket. I don't even know if this is holiday themed. This is just Hello Kitty. But you can do any type of favorite character, any type of holiday type vibe. Blankets, like I feel like you can never have enough in the winter. I got this for $20 at Walmart, and I'm really excited to see what it actually looks like. This is like the picture in the back. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna like do first impressions together and take it out and see how big it is. It says it's for a twin / full-size bed. So I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know. Can you guys see? It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm in love. It is so stinking cute. It is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. And it is so ridiculously soft, and that's like my favorite thing. I love like plushy soft blankets for the winter because I just like to like cuddle, watch a holiday movie, like do nothing. Like that's like my jam. It's actually really big, which I'm excited because I didn't think it was gonna be this big. I'll be able to like wrap myself very comfortably in this little blanket. So far I think this is like my favorite out of everything. It's actually also the most expensive thing that I purchased, so it should be my favorite based off, do you guys see the little lint that just went by? Based off girl math, like this obviously will be my favorite because it's the most expensive thing. Well, now we are on to our last thing. This is another Barbie inspired gift. I know I mentioned getting cozy with your blanket, with your cup of hot chocolate, with your little lollipops and what have you, but sometimes people also love to bake during the holidays. Now, if you have somebody who loves to bake or wants to get into baking or only bakes during the holidays, like some type of a baking kit or set would be ideal. If they don't like to bake, just gift them things that are already baked, pre-baked things. That also works too. This one I got for $15 at Walmart. It does come with an apron, which I'm really excited to try on. It comes with the cupcake cups. Let's like open this up actually. I really like the packaging on this. It's so cute. Ah. And I'm not gonna lie, I got this mainly for the apron because I really needed an apron. So we're gonna try this on in a second. So it comes with the Merry and Bright Vanilla Cupcake Mix, the pink frosting ink, and a little bit of pink sprinkles. Really cute. Let's see what this like little frosting thing actually looks like. Oh, I thought it was gonna look cuter, but this frosting thing just like comes in a bag. I personally love baking during the holidays, so I will be using this, but this is really what I'm excited about. Oh my gosh. You guys wanna know something crazy? I've never owned an apron, and I do cook quite a bit. Do you guys see the little Barbie? Okay. Oh my gosh. Is this how it goes? You just tie it like that. And just tie it like that. Right. This is perfect. I can put my phone in here while I cook. I don't know if I did this right, but anyways, that actually brings us to the end of today's Jolly Basket video. I hope you guys found this video useful, or at the very least, a little entertaining. On that note, guys, I love you, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!